especially down the stretch. You guys were able to pull away and lock it down.
We said we really had to execute offensively and really take care of the ball and get good looks. Because a lot of times we were getting good looks, shots weren't falling. Coach is fine with that. So just make sure we would execute, get a good look, and play hard defense.
3 straight wins now. How are your confidence is building, and you guys are consistently handling opponents?
Yeah, we're just trying to put 4 quarters together, and I think we did a much better job of that this game than the last game, obviously. And it's about our defense. It's about toughness. When someone like Sylvia goes down, we all have to step up in all aspects of the game.
Well, you guys had 3 very good quarters the last game. It was just that first one.
Yeah, it was just the first one, but we can't do that.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, great. To keep this home streak going?
Very important. We want to protect home court. We say that before every game that we play here, so it's crucial to us to protect this court.
Can you take me back to obviously that open court? You had that Euro step to the hole. What was that play like?
We had to get the ball over in 4 seconds, so I was able to break open there, able to lob it over Parker, and from there I had a 2-on-1 and was just able to figure out a little bit with the Euro step.
Yeah, so do you practice that? Would you pick that up?
Yeah, I practiced that. My teammates were like, you haven't been to Europe, how do you know the Euro step? And I was like, I've done it a little bit in workouts, and you never know when you need something like that.
Yeah, and you said that obviously there was 4 seconds, so you put the burners on.
Yeah, it was time to push it over, push it over half court, and then from there I saw a 2-on-1, so I just wanted to attack from there on.
Was there a mindset that you may have had because obviously Sil went down?
Yeah, I think we all had that attack mindset, and shots weren't always falling, but we were getting good looks, and we knew that they were going to fall at crucial points of the game. So everybody had to step up, not only offensively but defensively, and then more than anything on the boards, because she usually cleans up the boards, and we didn't have that presence. Yeah, I had to kind of adjust after the first half, kind of get a feel for it, try to get her up in the air a little bit, use her aggressiveness on defense against her. She's a great player. She made a nice move offensively. I was like, wow, that was pretty. I've always looked up to her, and she's an awesome player, so it was fun to play against her.
Was that your first time?
Yeah, we were going at it a little bit, but that's what competition is all about. It's fun competition.
Had you ever played against her before, like even in a pickup game or anything?
No, never. So This is my first time.
Okay, what do you think you've learned about her playing against her this time that if you all meet again, you can make an adjustment on her?
Defensively, she's aggressive. She likes to block shots, so I was trying to use that against her in the second half, get her up in the air, draw some fouls. And she's great, though, off of her feet. You get her up in the air, and it doesn't necessarily mean she's going to foul you because she's so athletic.
There's a couple of plays we were all watching, she kind of got a full head of steam after grabbing a rebound.
Yeah, you can't let her get the full head of steam, or it's bad. So we've tried to practice it and practice to stop her so she wouldn't get that full head of steam, but a player like that, you're not going to stop all the time.
How often do you get your shots blocked?
Every once in a while. Phoenix, I had it happen too, so when it happens, I try to learn from it and not let it happen again.
Safe to say this was the most physical game you've been a part of in the NBA?
I wouldn't say this was the most physical. Probably New York, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's when you scored the most points so far.
Yeah, I guess it makes me angry when I'm getting beat up.
But they're getting more physical, right? You're feeling it though from the collegiate level, aren't you?
Actually, the collegiate level, it was pretty bad just because of triple teams and people hacking and letting it go just because I was taller than everyone else. So I'm used to the fouls and getting hit. It's actually been better in the pros.
Thank you.